Hey guys, a video on Snowflake. So upcoming week on Wednesday we have earnings, and like I said previously, my main scenario is a 1-2-1-2-1-2 finish now, and we want to see the third wave go. Okay, because I'm also leaning towards the whole market being strong the coming weeks, and if this earning report can be strong, it can be a catalyst to finally start this push. Okay, and then we want to reach, ideally 450 at least. For now I have just labeled this micro here, but again this can be another 1-2 by itself. Also here I'm not even sure if this is the wave 1. Could be that this was it and this was your wave 2, but I'm like 1-2, 1-2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. That's why I've labeled it wave 1 here, and I pulled these fibs and I've put this trend line here. But again, Monday maybe we just open higher and we just go. If we go down, these fibs are wrong by the way, sorry, I need to adjust them. If we go down, then 247, 244 and then 241 could be places where this wave 2 can find support. And then I'm thinking for myself, like, I already have a position. I bought all the way down here. Of course I sold a little bit in the meantime, but still I have a position. But I'm like, should I add now a little bit more as like kind of a trade to potentially ride this earnings boost? Of course it can always be bad earnings and that we crash, because the other scenario is that this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave move complete, and the earnings are always post market hours, so stop losses don't work that way. But the idea I have is like this. If I just enter a position Monday on the market opening, and if I put my stop loss below this point of control of this range, I would risk 11%, which is a lot, but considering the profits I already made, for me personally this is still okay. But again, everybody needs to decide these things for like themselves, the risk aspect. Okay, but the idea then is to at least try and reach this 1.32 fib. Your all-time high is there as well, which would be a risk reward ratio of 7. Okay, 79% price action to the upside, risking 11% to the downside. Of course, if the pre-market is red Monday, I can wait, and if the market opens and we can hit one of these fibs, I could put an order here, and then my stop loss, like my risk decreases. Then if I can buy here, it's only 8% that I'm risking instead of 11. But again, I'm being a little bit bullish across the board, because also the money printer is getting turned on Monday, quantitative easing, interest rates not far away, S&P 500 looking like it's gonna take the all-time high. So I'm not sure if we're gonna get this opportunity. That's why I'm like, I'm just gonna probably buy it Monday wherever it opens. Even if we dip, I believe that we are gonna go up. Like, I believe it's more likely that we're gonna go up as long as we can hold above this point of control. I'm not even thinking that we're gonna test that. This reaction looked very strong. To me, this move to the downside looks like a corrective move as well, and as if we break above this trend line, I think it can go. Just wanted to share this. If you're also thinking about this earnings report and maybe want to position yourself, important support level is 224.66, the point of control, and then the 618, 219 below is, you could like yeah, put the stop loss there if you want to enter. Maybe you can even wait, like I said, for a little bit of a pullback, but I can't promise it's gonna give one, okay? And again, don't FOMO, you need to know your own positions, your own risk that you can take, okay? That's Snowflake. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.